Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg in an air fryer. First, ensure your air fryer is clean and ready. You'll want to place your eggs directly into the air fryer basket, making sure they are in a single layer. There's no need to preheat the air fryer for this method, which saves you a bit of time and energy. This simple setup is key to achieving perfectly cooked eggs every time, whether you prefer them soft or hard. For those who love a runny yolk, achieving a soft-boiled egg in your air fryer is surprisingly simple. Set your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 150 degrees Celsius. Cook the eggs for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Once done, immediately transfer them into an ice bath. This crucial step halts the cooking process, ensuring that perfect, creamy yolk you're aiming for. If you prefer a firm, fully cooked yolk, making hard-boiled eggs in your air fryer is just as easy. Keep your air fryer temperature at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. You'll want to cook the eggs for a slightly longer duration, around 15 to 17 minutes. After cooking, cool them in an ice bath for at least 5 minutes. This ensures they are perfectly set and ready for your favorite recipes. Peeling your air-fried eggs can be a breeze with a few simple tricks. First, gently tap the cooled eggs on a hard surface to create small cracks in the shell. Then, peel them under cool, running water. This helps the shell slide off more easily. Now, your perfectly boiled eggs are ready to enjoy. They're fantastic as a quick snack or added to salads and other dishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.